Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, share. It's a lovely sunny weekend. This is what we had for lunch for last week Sunday. Fried jollof rice on a budget. So right here we have our rice washed, parboiled, groundnut oil, seasoning, spices, meat stock. Our meat stock is actually from goat meat, tomato paste, fresh tomato blended. Our fresh tomato was roasted before blending, so you can see how thick it's looking. So let's get right into it. So first of all, you put in your groundnut oil, then you fry your seasoning, which is I'm not actually frying my seasoning first. I'm trying to take out the onion from the fried onion from the oil, like, because I fried the meat first, so like the burnt onion from the oil. So after taking that out, I'm going to fry my spices in it. Gives it a very different taste, like just a burst of flavor. So frying my thyme and my curry, after which after frying my spices, I'm going to add some onion. So I'm going to get the onion. I'm going to add some onion into the oil, just to saute the oil, just give it some nice aroma. So after the onion, we're still going to add chopped garlic. And after the chopped garlic, we're still going to add some more spices like curry, mixed spices. The mixed spices consist of bay leaf, dried ginger, dried garlic, rosemary, parsley, nutmeg. So we're going to add that with our curry and the mixed spices. Going to fry it in the oil. After that, just let it fry for like some seconds. Then we'll add our tomato paste into the oil. So that's our tomato paste right there. So I'm going to get it. I'm going to put it now. After adding the tomato paste, I'm going to allow it to fry for like 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how high the heat from your gas is. But mine is on high heat, so I fried it for like 5 minutes before adding my fresh tomatoes. I think I added the fresh tomatoes off camera, but it's still like a simple method. It's easy to understand. You just stir, so you don't. So by stirring helps it not to get burnt or sticking to the pot. So in the process of frying, you just have to stir so it doesn't get burnt in the process. After which you're going to add your fresh tomatoes. So we added our fresh tomatoes and we allowed it to fry for a bit. So this is what it looks like after adding fresh tomatoes. So we allowed it to simmer for like 5 minutes. So right now we're going to be adding our seasoning cubes with some salt in it. After adding the seasoning cubes, we'll just go in with our meat stock. After adding the meat stock, just add some water. Just depending on the quantity of rice you have, you can just measure like a cup or two of water added to the meat stock. Just put it in it into your mixture, your tomato mixture. Then you add some bay leaves. Then you cover your pot and allow it to simmer for like another 5 to 10 minutes. You can go in with the remaining spices you have and just stir lightly, after which you cover the pot and I'll allow it to simmer for like another 5 to 10 minutes. So that's it. Just so simple and easy. We didn't really do much in this recipe, just very straightforward. I would write out my ingredients in the description box below. So as you can see, it's been boiling for like 10 minutes now. So I think we are good to go. So let's get the rice and put it into our mixture. Okay, so you can see, just do it gently so that it doesn't spill or it doesn't splash in the process. So right now you can just stir it all together, incorporate it properly into the mix. After doing that, you put some fresh onion, and if you have some freshly chopped tomatoes, you can also add it. After stirring, just put it at the top and just cover your pot. Then you have to cook it on low heat so that your food doesn't get burnt. Put it on very low heat. Allow it to cook slowly so that everything in this mixture would go into the rice properly, cook into the rice properly. Sometimes if I have some leftover margarine in the house, at this point I'll get to add the margarine alongside the fresh tomatoes and the onion. So just cover your pot. Then you can see it's been boiling for 30 minutes. I think it's cooked now. So you can just stir to bring the rice at the bottom to the top. Just stir this for some minutes and I think you are good to go. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share so that you can be a part of this lovely channel. We're bringing you lots and lots of videos with straight to the point recipes just to improve your culinary skills. I'm still going to do better in my videos. I'm new to this channel, so support your girl by sharing, liking and subscribing. And once again, thank you my lovely subscribers for watching. Thanks for your patience though. And see you in my next video. Thank you. Ciao.